How to turn off TikTok screen time on iPhone. So first of all, make sure that screen time is off on your system. For that, get to your settings, and then from here scroll down until you see the option of screen time, tap on it, and then from here tap on app limits. After doing that, here you can see TikTok is selected. Here you can tap on TikTok and then tap on delete limit. Tap on delete limit one more time. And just like this, we have removed our TikTok from our system's app limit. Then here you'll have to go to the TikTok settings in order to make sure that you have disabled it there too. Go back and open your TikTok, and then from here tap on your profile icon right here. Then from here tap on the menu bar right here. Then tap on settings and privacy. After doing that, here you'll have to tap on time and well-being. Then you can tap on the screen time option right here. And in here, you can see daily screen time is turned on. All you have to do is tap on this toggle button and turn off the TikTok screen time on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.